ready and I'm super excited. Like my last time, the video I'm here today, the topic I chose is related to current situation, which is pandemic and how it affected cabin crew job, recruitment. Is there any opportunity coming in the future? Or few of you must be wondering that, especially hoteliers who have been joined in hotel industry or who are pursuing already aviation courses, they must be wondering that, are we gonna get any job in future, or was it a right call? I think I'm not lucky enough. Whenever I start something happened. Please guys, stop cursing yourself and breathe and believe in this moment. Trust me guys, right now I'm here to talk about future opportunities which is coming, and I know it through fact. So I'm not talking about any of the assumption. So let's start straight. First is guys, let's looking at the opportunity of Tokyo Olympics. It was hold, right? And we thought that, oh my god, everything is stopping, everything is cancelling, lot of flight cancellation, lot of country blocked. We all have things to, look at, that these things are not working. But the reality is Olympic Games are going to happen in 2021. It shifted. So it's not cancelled. It's all postponed. So same way guys, we all, whatever job opportunities we were expecting to happen soon, maybe in 2020, whatever job opportunities were coming, it's on hold. Treat it like that. It's all on hold, because just imagine guys, if you are given opportunity today, if somebody will tell you pack your bags and go for 2 days trip somewhere, are you not excited? Do you think that you will not travel? I am 100% sure that you will be super excited to travel and get that experience and come back to your country again safely. So same way guys, people are gonna travel, things will be happening in future. Same way this Olympic Games are happening, so they will be traveling. There are people who are fan of Olympics and they love to watch these things. And to reach them from one place to Japan, or not only Japan, wherever it is, future opportunities. Second is coming in Qatar, is amazing. Qatar is gonna host FIFA World Cup. All of us know how world is crazy about this FIFA World Cup. So that makes another sense, and that gives me another sense of security, that if so many people will travel globally and they will come to one place, of course they are ready for it, right? So when they are becoming ready for it, it means they are building a lot of hotels. Lot of hotels which is under construction. Few of the hotels is already under pre-opening, and that gives me another hint of future job opportunities. So you all, whosoever is pursuing course in hospitality industry, whosoever is currently doing travel management, anything related to people business, is growing, is coming back to track. And I'm sure in future you will be coming here soon and join something. But meanwhile, take this time as an opportunity, as a great opportunity to work on yourself. You are the person who need to know exactly where you are lacking and why you were rejected previous time, so that you are not making the same mistake. Or the small thing like where I can improve or where I can be better than my last time. So small things like that guys, I would appreciate if you will notice. Everyone have their own style of noticing their own strengths and weaknesses. I would not tell you to do this, do that, but I would definitely suggest take pen and paper, keep writing stuff where you need to improve. That's it guys. After that, this FIFA World Cup will bring, I think they must be like these Middle Eastern airlines, international airlines will be needing crew like from all over the place, globally. This opening will be globally on. So your chances to become cabin crew in 2021 will be 4 times, I'm not joking, 4 times more than now. So it means you need to be ready for that opportunity, because that's the opportunity which right now we all can clearly, all of us who is willing to become crew, who is willing to join aviation, who is willing to become anything in hotel, we all have to see that opportunity clearly. Like as I can see, these are the big signs that of course things are going to change and things will be better in future. opportunities are coming, and this is the time thankfully given by God to me to prepare. So this 1 year of time, you will be so prepared that definitely when you will go for interview or any kind of first screening round or anything, you will be selected for that. And then you can smile and say, yes, I am selected because of your hard work which you are doing right now. So do not let it get waste, guys. I would suggest keep your eyes on the current opportunities in aviation industry, in hotel lines, in travel lines, and just utilize this time to keep yourself ready for it. And don't worry with the news which is coming globally. We all need to understand that these are the hour of need. If somebody is getting redundant due to their performance or anything, it can be anything, it's an hour of need. People need to save their business. That's why they are doing it. And of course, same way, thank you for watching, and I hope you will share and subscribe my video. And why I'm saying share, so that it reaches to the right person who is truly looking for this, and maybe it can be beneficial and helpful information for someone. And as I always said, the intention of making these videos is clearly helping, and I will be glad if you'll do that. So thank you so much, and see you on board.